Visible? Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Okay, today we are going to see about analytics and reporting. Okay, this topic is completely about how people get visit our website like this and how data can be tracked. So those things we covered today. So in this session, we're going to see about Google Analytics. Okay, this is a separate part. We are giving a practical experience also. Then Google Search Console. This is an important tool for a website. For every website, this need this. And Google Tag Manager. What is Google Tag Manager? And we discuss about some metrics about KPI. Those things we can discuss. KPI is the right metrics for every campaign we need. So those also we discussed today. Got it. The first one is Google Analytics. So, Google Analytics is the tool that helps you analyze your website's app traffic and completely user behavior. See, this is the website. Okay, so this is the website. So if we can see now, okay, right, like that in 24 hours, who are all seeing this website, what are all doing, the entire thing is tracking in Google Analytics. Okay, this is the tool. It's a Google free tool. So it's a web analytics tool that helps you to analyze your website apps traffic and user behavior. Okay. See, that's a key features also with that. Before that, we can see the tool. You just go to google.com, just type Google Analytics. Okay, type Google Analytics. This is the tool. We already integrated with tool. It's a real tool. You can check the data here. So just sign into this analytics. So this is the interface for this. So this is the analytics for this website. Okay. For this website, we have analytics tool. So this is analytics tool. So here you can check the data. This is the analytics tools interface. Okay, you can check the data. Who are all seeing this page? Who are all what are all doing this website? We can check every data here. See here for this site, for this website, users from different country. Users are for this website. Users are seeing from India, United States, Ireland, Pakistan. Like that, we can see the different countries here. Okay, these are the map for the users. Like India, the people are seeing. United States, the people are seeing. India, there will be 84 users will be there, and that United States 38 users, Bangladesh 3 users. Like that, every country we can see here. This is the date from last 1 month data. Who are all seeing this website? This website, who are all seeing this website? We can track this data. Okay, either you go for multiple France, Indonesia, Australia, China. So analytics in the sense we can from this website we can check the multiple countries people see this website. So that is the data here. Okay, they're spending in around 159 users will be there. Around it's 153 are new users. So remaining 6 users are repeated users. They are already come to this website and again they will come to this. So new users is the first time user. Okay, so like that we can track this demographic country like that we can track here. Then the same website, people coming from the different direct in the sense, people go directly directly type this website and go to the series. That is direct. This is direct. So from direct, it will be around 1,400 users will be there. Organic search in the sense, if I go to Google, they, for example, they're typing digital marketing technical. So just scroll down, say they click this website. So this is the SEO, true SEO, organic in the sense SEO. Through SEO, people are clicking like this. So that is organic search. Referral in the sense it comes from any other blog. People are visiting some blogs and come to here. That is referral. Paid other in the sense it's Google Ads or other any paid search we can go for it. Then organic social in the sense it's completely about Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. So those is organic social. Paid search in the sense it's completely Google search ads, Google search ads, it's text-based ads. Unassigned in a sense it's any traffic. Like that, people come from different resources. People are coming through directly. People are coming through Google. People are coming through some referral sites. These are the different versions. Like that, what are all people doing? What how people comes to this website by different ways. So those traffic also. So better direct only they're getting it's 1,400 users will be there. Around 1,400 users will be in the direct only. Okay. Then through organic search also, it's a 970. This two, it's big big session for this. Then next metric is this is, for example, they come to this website, which page they are seeing most? They are seeing the home page only. They are seeing this home page. This is the home page. They are seeing the most of the time this home page only. Okay, that home page it's around 1,800 users will be there. The next Adicate 2025, this is a different page. The next they're seeing blog page. Blog page is 297. They go to this, they see this blog page. This blog page around 297 users will be there. People are seeing this blog page. So you're just clicking this blog and they see, read the content. What they read the content in a sense. Okay. So they're reading this. Like that contact us page. People are if they're ready to contact us, they contact us also. They can try to contact and just contact this pages also. Through contact us also they will contact. Okay. So like that, this is the then people are seeing some people are seeing training pages also. They go to this training, what are they doing their training, they give you training pages also, they are doing this. Okay, so like that, this data will be it's around lead stream. So completely, we can analyze the website data. What data, what people are doing in the website, we can check the entire data here. Okay, like your country-wise data, which country they will be coming, which referral, which path they will be coming. You can check that also. Which page they are seeing, we can check that data also. Okay, so like that, there will be the more data we can check for this. See here, active users. So currently I am in the website. So it shows this active users. So URL currently, how many users you can check that data also. So currently I am in the website. So it shows this active users. It is from India. It's showing it. Okay, got it. Clear. So analytics plays a major role. Analytics plays a major role. It's a key features tracks and reports website traffic. Yeah, you can see the website traffic. How many people are seeing this? It's around 1,300 people are seeing this. Okay, so there is website traffic you can see. Include user demographics, behavior, and acquisition. Demographics in the sense which country they are coming, which location they are coming, like which country they are coming, which site they are coming. Like that, this data you can choose here. Okay, it's integrate with conversions. You can check conversions, user engagement, how like that. How many people currently in the website? Like that, we are currently two users will be there, three users will be there. So I think some people from India, some of the other users also coming. So like that, we can check the conversions data from here itself. Live data we can check here. Okay, so active users in the sense last day, last 24 hours, 8 users will be there. So like that we can check here. So this is from data we can check how many users will be there and how many things will be there. There also we can check tech data also. So tech data in the sense which device they can see this. You can see here if currently through website through Google people can see three users will be there. What are the operating system they are searching? From Windows, people are searching 69. From Linux, people are searching 35. For Android, people are searching 28. Macintosh, 9. Like that, every OS having some results. Then Chrome OS coming one users will be there. Okay, most of the users from desktop only. Mobile also having some users from desktop. Through desktop, it's around 125 users will be there. Through mobile, around 35 users. So like that we can see here. And which browser it be most? Most of the people comes from Chrome only. Chrome web browser only they can come from. And second to Edge, third Safari, and other Samsung Internet. So around from desktop, 78% people are searching. Mobile, 21% of people are searching. So these data also we can check from here also. See, they are coming from different. Some people are coming from mobile, some people are coming from laptop. So the screen resolution also again it's 153.864.190. It's a screen resolution for people who are all seeing in this. The resolutions also we can see here. Okay, so like that we can check the data for completely tech overview data here itself. This is the detail analysis. This is the from see from Chrome. It's around Chrome. It's kind of blue, edges green like that. It's around Chrome for 144 users will be there. Edge 7 users will be there. Safari 5 users will be there. Samsung 1 users will be there. So where in which of the browser people are coming, you can check that also. Around 144 users, 138 are new. Remaining are repeated users. They are already coming here. Okay. So like that, we can interact with this. So engagement rate, there's a term called bounce rate. Bounce rate in the sense, if someone comes to this website, okay, someone comes to this website, suddenly they close this website. They are not interested to see this. So that time bounce rate is it's about 90 percentage. Okay, if someone comes to this website, they can spend more time, they can spend more time on seeing this page, and like that they can spending more time so that time it will be below 30 second, 30 second or below 30 second. If it below 30 second, that is a good bounce rate. If it is above 90, that is a it's not good bounce rate, it's a bad bounce rate. So bounce rate in the sense how much time people spending in the website, they are spending how much time, that is called bounce rate. For example, I'm searching digital marketing, so I'm looking for this, so I'm spending most of the time here, so I'm searching in the multiple thing, so that is a bounce rate. Here for example, I'm searching technologies, suddenly I'm not interested, so here bounce rate is 90 percentage. Got it? Clear? Like wait, we can calculate this. Clear? Analytics is clear? Yeah, okay. Clear, type clear. Okay. So like that, we can check this analytics data. Okay. To this data, you can check from this. So integrate this analytics data. You can integrate with Google Ads, Search Console, and many other tools. You can integrate with this. Okay. So through many other tools and integrating, so only you're getting better information also. So the tracking data, it comes with e-commerce platform and the custom events also. So through, for example, many e-commerce sites like Flipkart, Amazon, they, if more people comes to that, we can track every data, how many people in the contact page, how many people in the training page, how many people in the home page. So those the exact data we can track from this Google Analytics. Okay, so what is the main pay examples for a Google Analytics instance? How many people interact your website? How many people interact your website or app? This Google Analytics for not only for website but also for app also. Even you can track app any apps also you can track like this. Okay, so it's completely for how, for example, this is a website. How many people comes to this website and how many people clicking the form? So I'm typing this. How many people coming to the website and how many people clicking the form, like that how many people clicking the form. So like that we can once they find email id, phone number, and finally they submit the button, right? So like that, that is called conversion. So like that how many people are coming here, how many people are giving sign up the data form submissions, so that data also we can check here. It's completely for bringing the most traffic conversions only. It's completely for how many people coming to our website, that data we can track here. Clear? So there will be more data will this in the tech details also you can see here. Like that again, even for demographic details you can check for that demographics data current. Here it's currently about current which people will be coming here. So it's around India, it's 84 users and 38 users. They are spending engagement rate. Average time in the sense how much time they are spending. So averagely for India 1 minute 51 second, United States only 2 seconds, second France they are spending 1 minute 9 seconds, then Indonesia 60 seconds, like that how much time they can spending the time. This time is important. Okay, so if you go for I'm giving for last 28 days, like that if you go for better I give for all time or last 12 months I'm given for this, the data will be different. So just apply for last 12 months. So it's data. India, it's around 48 seconds, 3 seconds. Pakistan, many countries will be there. It's around. So United Kingdom also will be there. So you can check multiple data. So here, which are the country you coming that you can check here also. Okay. So this is the data for. So through analytics, we can check the data what users are doing in the website. Okay, you can check who are all coming and where the data is, where the main page they will be spending time. So those data we can track from Google Analytics. Clear? Clear? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Next we are going to see about then another tool. It is also one of the famous tool. So that is Google Search Console. Okay. See, this is also a Google free tool. This tool you can help website owner. You can maintain and troubleshoot their website presence in Google searches. Okay, this tool is actually, for example, if your website want to index in Google, any technical issues, those things covered by Google Search Console only. Okay, this Google Analytics and Google Search Console both are very important for every website. You just type Google Search Console, type a Google Search Console. So just click here, Google Search Console. This is the Google Search Console tool. Just start now. So this is the interface for Google Search Console for the same website. For this website, it's having Google Search Console. So here you can check the entire data. Okay. So first I'm clicking this. So this data is interlinked with this. So I just give the overview. First I'm giving a performance. See, this is for last 4.5 hours, last 4 hours update from the Google. Okay, so totally 3 clicks from the Google. Clicks in the sense how many people clicks the. For example, I'm searching something. I'm searching something, just searching something. So I go to the website. I just clicking this. I just click only. It will be moving to some other website. That is called clicks. Okay. If I just scroll down, the same keyword I'm just clicking. So I'm taking digital marketing technical. So just scroll down. So I'm not clicking anything. So that is called impressions. Clicks in the sense I'm clicking this website. Impressions in the sense for this keyword, multiple websites are ranking. So I just scroll down. I'm not clicking anything. I'm just seeing only. That is called impressions. Okay. So here we can give this impressions data only. So here people are see this. 3 people are taking this data and 520 people, so around 520 people got impressions for this. Just scroll down only. They are just scroll down only. Okay. The average position is 7.2. Average position in the sense it's ranking in seventh position in the Google based on their searches. Okay. See here, here we can check the data from other users also. To people who are all which keyword they are searched from the Google for this website. People are searching grow with digital experts. They are searching digital marketing course in nickel. They are searching grow with digital marketing, digital marketing course in the nickel, digital marketing agency in the nickel, course offline near me, graphical design. Like that, these keywords are people are searching this for this website. And pages, they can say which pages they will be. They go to the home page only. They click to this, they move to this home page only. This pages they are going to. And which countries we are having it. Averagely, they're getting India, US, unknown region. The region is not specified. Bangladesh, Pakistan. How many people clicks in this sense and how many people just scroll down. That data also we are getting through this. Okay, this is from last 3 months. If you want more, you can give the another last 16 months, 12 months. Those data also you can check apply. So how users searches in the Google? See around last 6 to 12 months, 9 clicks from some keywords, around 1,000 impressions for this keyword. Okay, so like the data from this. So India, US, South Korea, UK, Russia, Taiwan, Spain, Brazil. So these are the countries getting impressions from this website. Okay, so on devices, mostly desktop actually 5 users clicks from that and mobile 4 users from this. Okay. So like that we can get it. Search appearance is not either. Then dates, which are all the date and what dates are people searching more? So it's around 1st July. It's every date will be coming. 30 June, 29th June, like that every date. It's around 365 dates will be there. So like that we can check date, which date we are getting more traffic. Like that we can check here. So through Google Search Console, we can find more data about Search Console. Okay, that how what people are searching our website to specific keyword. Those keyword you can search here. Here also you can. This is from web. You can search from image. You can search. People are searching video and news. Like that, people are searching in the different kind of people directly from Google. Some people from image. Some people from video. Some people from news. So like that, we can give the data like this. Okay, these are the keywords searching from the Google. Okay. Then there is another data. It's called URL inspection. So URL inspection in the sense, for example, if this is a website, so this is the website. So here there are multiple URL will be there. So suddenly, if you want to rank this URL, if you want to rank this URL, suddenly there's a multiple sites. If this is the URL, you want to rank this URL. So you just copy this. You want to index in Google, just copy this and just update here. If you give enter, automatically it will be scrolling. I'm not doing now because it's already indexed. So if you want to, if you added anything new pages in the your website, you just add the link and put here, and enter here. Automatically it will be give instructions to Google, this is the new link. So after once it's done, within 1 hour or 3 hours, it will be indexed in Google. So like that URL inspection is which is live that we can check. Okay, so I'm checking like that we can check the data here. Next pages, see this nearly many pages will be indexed. We already discussed about in technical SEO. We discussed about the links. Okay, that like the dead link we can check, with the redirection we can check, broken links. Like that here mentioned it's 404. 404 link is currently there is two pages here, so it will be the link. Then redirection in the sense it's 301, 302. So those also it's showing here. So if any redirection pages, broken links pages, it also showing in here. Okay. For example, if your website have any redirection done 301 or a temporary redirect, that will be shown here. If it is broken links, that is also showing here. So people can check here. This success only having this website only they are having this success. Okay. Then sitemaps. We already discussed about sitemap, right? For example, if any website, you can see this website, but Google can understand through only sitemap. We already discussed about this. Google can understand this sitemap like this. So this way of sitemap only Google can understand. Okay. So this once it's added in the website, then the link will be added here only. This is the website. If you added any new pages, we just add a sitemap URL. For example, if you're adding any training pages, the new URL, just copy this URL. Once uploaded the code, just copy this URL and uploading here, and give the submit button. This is the website, and this is the new page. You just submit, so it allows it tells the Google this is the new page. Please index this. So through sitemap only, Google can know this we having the new page. Clear? Voice not clear. Okay, it's clear now. Clear? Any doubts? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So like that we can check. Like that every page we have been checking the same data only. We are checking this data, it's the same data only. Okay. Then removals. If you want to remove any URLs from the Google, for example, this is the many URLs will be there. So if you want to remove this URL from the Google, if you want to remove, don't want to show this URL, you can also using this remove URL. Just clicking this and just update it. You just update a new request and just sum this. Like you just copy this. So if you want to remove this URL only, you just give the next, then automatically it will be removed. It's a temporary removal URL. Okay, so if you want to remove any URL from the Google, you can just remove the URL here. Then core web vitals. Core web vitals, we can already tell about this. In desktop, how it is website is look like this. People from website, people see the website through desktop, it's showing here. People see the website through mobile. So how it is shows like this. So that is showing here. So these things we check from the tools, some of the tools, mobile, Lighthouse, Chrome extension, these tools you can check from before. But here also it will be showing. Okay, but currently it's not showing here. But you can search for try page insights. Automatically, it will be loading here. The data is loading here. Here it will be showing what is the issue with the mobile. Yeah, it's showing what is the issue with the mobile. Like that, these things we already discussed about this. So how it is in mobile, how it is desktop, everything it will be showing here. Okay, that is a core of details. Okay, next is links. Links in the sense, actually here we already discussed about internal links and external links, right? So those links will be shown here. How many internal links will be there, how many external links will be there, those things will be shown here. It's automatically shown here. Okay. Then this is achievements. Achievements in the sense, in the in the Google searches last 28 days, how many times Google searches in this? Last 27 on 27 Jan, 30 people searches in the Google, on 11th Jan 20, like that. How many percentage of people searches in Google? So that also giving the reports. So it will be keep on increasing. October it will be 10. Now it is 15. And 24 it is 20. 30 is in 24. Like that. How many people are searching recently? It's getting improvement or not? Those data we can cover here. Okay, those data we can cover here. So this is the internal link and external links here. To use this tool, we need to have an existing website created. Yeah, you're having this website only, then only we can interlink with this Google Search Console and Analytics basically. Okay, clear. Okay. So like that it will be there. Then that's having the setting in the settings section. You can check the data also. Here I can you have the ownership verification, so users and permissions. We already discussed about robot.text, right? If robot.text is present, it will be shown here. So see here, this is the robot.text. It will be fetched. So if robot.text is present, it will be showing like this. So this is the robot.text user agent. This hello. This is the robot.text. So it is present here. So the everything, what are the technical SEO covered for this, the entire thing will be shown here. Okay, the entire thing will be shown here. You can check every data here, what data you can, and also here it will be showing that how many time it will be crawled. Totally, people are searching 145 time it will be crawled. It is a data crawl in the sense people are searching some keywords in the Google. They're searching some keywords in the Google. How much time the response time it will be there? It's average 446. Mostly at 96 to 26, it will be, data will be higher. The other data will be lesser only. So like that we can see. People are searching how we can read permanently the data. That's redirection done, right? So he mentioned that redirection it's 301 done before itself. So it's showing that. People are saying that smartphone 41 percentage, ads bot 28 percentage, desktop, through desktop it's 21 percentage, image 8 percentage, other agent type is 2 percentage. So people are searching in the different. Crawl in the sense how people are searching through Google. Okay, crawling, we already see crawl through Google bot like this. So how people are searching through this website. So those things, the entire data we can check here. So if any indexation issues and any technical issues, those things is sorted out through Google Search Console. Okay, this is the thing you can understand. Here completely you can see here, you can see the insights here. Insights in the sense this is not correctly using, it's a beta version. So how many people clicks this period, how many people impressions to this period, those things we can check here. Performance in the sense how many clicks we are getting, how many impressions we are getting, those things we checking here. Then pages we can check here, how many pages are indexed, how many pages are not indexed, those things we can check here. Then sitemaps also we can check for the multiple things. So completely the technical pattern we can check from here, technical, and also we can check SSL also. We are telling security issues, right? That SSL also we can check in. We already discussed about SSL, secure packet layer. So here it will be showing no issues detected. So we can check that the SSL also it will be present or not. So it's completely we can check in here. Got it? Clear? Clear. Does it vary from other search engines? Yeah, this is for Google Search Console will be there. If for other search engines, there will be other tools. But only for Google, only we are having this analytics and search console. Clear, Ramla? This tool, analytics and Google Search Console, it's completely for Google only. It's completely Google only. Clear. Okay. So like that we can use for this. The multiple tools you can check here. See, analytics, it's completely about what user are doing in the website. That is analytics. What user in the doing in the website, that is analytics. Google Search Console in the sense, completely what are the site indexation issues. In what situations we can use Google Analytics and Google Search Console? Yeah. For example, see, this is the website. It's a nice question there. You see, if this is a website, okay, you can see, you know about this, how many people are coming this, how many people are, you know, rough data because you are seeing something. Suddenly, in after 24 hours in between, some other country will seeing this, so people want to talk to you. So that time they can come to this website and they give the lead from this. So after when you are free, just just understand this. So users from this period. So that data you can track here from analytics. Where it is, see, analytics in the sense it's completely, if people comes to your website and putting the lead, okay. For example, I'm seeing this. So if come to this, if they're putting the lead name, phone number, mail ID, message, everything they're done. If they submitted, we getting the lead. But many people still searching only, still seeing only website. Those data we can track in analytics only. If they put the lead completely, they put the lead, we can check, we can get a contact number. But many users are still searching, so you can find the data to only. In which page they are there and which page they are spending more. Like that, the every data we can fetch to this data only. Here only you can fetch. Okay, and Google Search Console, if any site indexation is used, this is the new page. Okay, so for example, this is the new page. They're creating the software development company new page. Okay, so this page you want to index in Google. So that time you need to help the head of Google Search Console. Through Google Search Console only, you will be you can index it through Google Search Console. Through sitemaps only you can index this. So that time Search Console is needed. Okay, and in for the website, what are the keywords people are searching through a website? That keyword also you can check from Search Console only. Clear, clear, Devaki. Any doubts? Clear. Okay, okay. So any other doubts I'm having? If any doubts, you can ask now. Any doubts? It's clear. Just type clear. Okay. Okay, 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 clear. Okay, so this is the step for they're doing for this mostly. Okay, Google Search Console is a common thing for us. Then their key features, it's you can check the data, clicks, impressions, everything. The main thing is indexing is used. If a site want to rank in Google, any indexation issues will be there. That will be unfixing by this Google Search Console only. It's completely insights into search queries. Which search queries traffic to your website? See here. So here people are searching something. They grow with a expert, digital experts like that are searching, right? That search queries you can find through this Google Search Console only. And here also you can search mobile usability, how it is showing on desktop, how it is showing on mobile, page speed, security issues. The entire thing you can checking from here. Okay. Then these examples, in the sense, it's completely which keywords your website ranks for. You can check the data in the Google Search Console. Which keywords your website rank for? The data you can take, and also finding and fixing crawl errors. If any broken links will be there, you can check that broken links also. I'm checking here. The important thing is submitting a sitemap. If you want to add any URL, for example, any URL to the newly to the Google, that time Google understand only through sitemaps only. Here you can submit only the URL, then only Google can understand. Then it fetched, after it fetched, it will showing and it submit, then only Google can understand this. Okay, so these things are all fixed by this Google Search Console only. Got it? Clear. The next one is Google Tag Manager. Actually, this is the tool, but you just understand there is no practical tool for this. But this is mostly this tool is like this. I just saw the interface. This is the Google Tag Manager. Okay, this is Google Tag Manager. So actually, what it happens mostly, why this tool is meant is, this is the website. Here I am my website, right? If I go into this code, there will be multiple codes. If you're having multiple codes, so if they put more codes, definitely the site will be slower. Okay, site definitely website will be slower. So for that time, this code, if you're having any additional codes, you just copy to this Google Tag Manager. Then only one Google Tag Manager that will be copied to your website. Got it? Understood. If you're having multiple codes from the website, the site will be slower. So we just only one link from Google Tag Manager, but all the codes we copy to this Google Tag Manager. Okay, this is the interface. This is a free tool that allows you to manage and deploy marketing snippets of the code. This is the code. Small codes. We can copy the codes on your website and modifying the code directly. So it is the interface between the website and this code platform. The Google Tag Manager. It helps the users to activate the website more speeder. So that is the use of Google Tag Manager. It's mostly for why people are doing this. If multiple tags will be added in the code, that time they add the codes to this Google Tag Manager. That time our site will be very faster. So things only it be using. For analytics and marketing, this Google Tag Manager helps the major way. And also it's a user-friendly interface. You can create account name, like the basic setup it will be there. But just understanding about this. So you can create easily. For code, if you're having multiple code sector, you can utilize this and you create a better thing for this Google Tag Manager. Okay, this shows the major creation for this, for getting more understanding between analytics and the Google Tag Manager. Okay. And the thing is, it is used for you can add your Google Analytics code, you add your Facebook Pixel code, any code you can add to directly to Google Tag Manager. Okay, you don't need to copy the code to directly to website. You can just add the Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel code to Google Tag Manager. Okay, this is the Google Tag Manager for this button. The comparison of three is Google Tag Manager. It's completely about tracking tags. It's just tracking tags. It's just tracking the tags for editing code. It's used by marketers and analysts also. Google Search Console. It's just monitor and optimize websites. What people are doing in the website, and any indexation issues will be there. Any search visibility will be there. So that's those things covered in the Google Search Console. So it is used by SEO specialists and web admins. Some web developer also having access for this Google Search Console. Then Google Analytics, in the sense, it's completely about analyze website traffic and user behavior. What people are doing in the website, in which country they are coming from, like that, and how much time it will be they're spending there. So those things will be covered through Google Analytics. Okay, this is completely for marketer, analyst they will be doing. Okay, so these are the three tools mostly for checking for this tool. Okay, it's clear. Clear. If clear, we can move to the next section. Clear, type clear. Okay, okay, thank you. So the next section is KPI. Okay. See, KPI in the sense it's named as key performance indicator. Key performance indicator. Okay. Key performance indicator is it's a measurable value. For example, this term is mentioned as how many people are coming. Like that, we can tell like 20 people, 30 people, 40 people. So we can tell the number, right? That number we can track. That tracking is called KPI. It's a metric. It's a kind of metric. Okay. So it's a measurable value that indicates how effectively your campaign is achieving its objectives. Okay. So it shows this, for example, if I'm searching this, like that I'm searching come to analytics. In India, there will be 1302. In United States, we have 321. In Ireland, we are having 25. Like that data will be that. This is also kind of KPI. Okay, but the KPI is differently, but the measurable quantity only. If they're having KPI, how successful your marketing is. If for example, if you're running the business, you want to calculate your profit margin like this. Everything in the digital marketing, this KPI only calculated. Based on KPI only, your business will be success or not. Everything will be tracked through this KPI only. Okay, just key performance indicator. So, how to choose the right KPI? For example, for every business, KPI is needed. So, how to choose the right KPI? The thing is, if your goal, for example, if your business want to reach more people, if your business want to reach more people in the sense brand awareness in the sense you want to reach maximum number of people. So that time you having the metrics, impressions, and the search impressions there. Okay, if you want to reach more people, so impressions play that time. Okay, if your goal is about driving traffic to your website, if you want to reach more people to see your website, that time your goal is to about clicks and CTR. Clicks in the means how many people clicking your site. If you want to reach more people like brand awareness, it's just for brand, it's for impressions. If you want to reach more people to see your website, that is called clicks. How many people clicking your website? Okay. The third one is your business wants to generate more leads or sales. For example, they want more contact numbers or more sales they need. You want to focus on conversions. How many people filling the form? How many people buying your product? So that is calculated as uh, CPA ROIs conversions. Clear. Okay. So this is so KPA in the sense what are the metric for calculating your business profit or not? Because we are doing some activity like CO, like that, many activity we are doing for our business, but that metric is actually success for us that we calculate through KPI only. So every business have different goal. If you want to reach more people, that is based on impressions. That metric is calculated by impressions. If you want to reach more more users to a website, so that's focus on clicks. How many people clicking on your website? If you want to get more leads on sales, then focus on conversions. How many people filling the form? How many people buying the product? So these are the metric we calculated. Okay, these are the metric we calculated. Okay, there will be different metrics will be there. There will be different metrics will be there. We can see one by one. The first one is performance matrix. Performance matrix. Performance matrix in the sense it's completely about impressions, impressions, clicks, click through rate, cost per click, cost, conversion, cost per acquisition. So these are all the performance metrics we can see one by one. Mostly in the digital marketing, we can track the campaign data. Every data we can track through these types of metrics only. Okay, this is a technical word, but actually it's very easy only. You just see this. The first one is impressions. Impressions in the sense, see, I'm typing best mobiles. Okay, okay, best mobiles under 20,000. So I'm just clicking this best mobiles under 20,000. There will be here multiple results will be there. 91mobiles.com, Flipkart, then Bone Gadgets, YouTube, Amazon. There will be multiple thing will be there. See, I'm just scrolling down only. I'm just seeing only. I'm just scrolling down. For this keyword, there will be multiple results, second page, third page, fourth page, but I'm just scrolling down only. So this is called impressions. Impressions in the sense, for this keyword, the multiple results will be showing to us. But we are not clicking this, we're just seeing this. We're just scrolling this. So that is called impressions. Okay, impression refers to the number of times ad is shown to the users. So here, I'm searching something again. So it's number of times it be showing to me, but I'm not clicking anything. So that is called impressions. For this keyword, it should be showing anything. Okay, so that is called impressions. This is a campaign data. I can give the example. This campaign example I can give in the next session. So Google have generally given. Now you can understand impression in the sense if you type any keyword, the multiple results will be there, but you are just scrolling there. You're not clicking anything, just scrolling there. So that is called impression. For this keyword, we are getting multiple impressions. For this keyword, we are getting multiple impressions. Okay. The second one is clicks. Okay, clicks in the sense, clicks represent the number of times user clicks on your ad after seeing it. So I'm just scrolling down. I'm searching the same best mobiles under 20,000. So I just scrolling down and click any one of that. So I just clicking this. So it's moving to this page. So I'm clicking this, so it's moving to this page. So that is called clicks. Clear. Clicks in the sense I just clicking to the impression in the sense I just scrolling down. Clicks in the sense I just click to this page, so it's moving to this. So that is called clicks. The metrics indicates how many people were interested enough in your ad to visit your landing page. So how many people they're having many options. If I'm scrolling there are many options, but I suddenly I'm clicking something. So why? Because I'm interested in this website. So I just seeing this. So how many people are interested in this? So clicks will be happen. If they are not interested, just scrolling down, that is simply called impression. If anyone interested and click this, so that is called clicks. Clear. So then CTR, click-through rate. Click-through rate in the sense, it's for example, the short form CTR. How many people CTR equal to formula clicks by impressions into content. How many people clicking the ad and how many ads will be showing. Like that, if I'm searching this keyword, same keyword. So CTR we calculated. I'm searching this keyword. So I'm clicking based. I'm showing multiple impression. These are impression one, two, three, four. Multiple impressions will be there. So I'm clicking this. So I'm clicking this. So how CTR will be calculated? Clicks by impressions into 100. If your ad has 1,000 impressions and 500 clicks, then CTR will be 500 by 1,000. Clicks by impression, 5 percentage. So this is the formula. Click-through rate measures how many people interested through click-through rate, the website. That is a metric calculated by CTR. Clear. Can you search best instruments under 10,000? Yeah, sure. Why? Okay. Okay. Yeah, you having multiple data. Amazon, Bajaj, incoming, Casio, Sterling Music, Cadence. So you can search any data. Clear, you can search any data. Same, but the metric is calculated. What does impression signify here? Impression in the sense, see, I'm just using this keyword. So multiple results will be there. So it's showing multiple results. We go to this multiple results will be there. For this keyword, it will be showing right. Multiple website will be showing right. So that is for us impressions. If I'm clicking to this, for specifically, so this is clicks. So that likewise, the technical word is framed. Got it? Yeah? Clear. Okay. So like that, we can do for this is clicks. Then CPC. CPC in the sense it's cost per click. Okay. Cost per click in the sense how much, for example, is the amount pay someone clicks your ad. See, I'm just clicking this. I'm just clicking this. Currently, this is the free, this is a SEO result. There's a paid result to some also it will be showing. So for the paid result, we need to pay money. That's a paid result. After next week, we are discuss about the paid result only. So if they click to some other ad, we paid some money to this. So for every click, we need some money. Okay, so that is calculated. So CPC equal to total cost of clicks by number of clicks. Total cost of click in the sense how much time I'm clicking this URL by number of. So that is called CPC. Cost per click in the sense per click how much amount I'm spending. So that is cost per click. Got it? Clear? That is CPC. Cost per click in the sense per click how much amount we are spending. That is the cost per click. Then cost. Cost is actually it refers to the total amount spent on your Google Ads. Okay. For example, if you are spending amount 10,000 per day, 1,000 per day, like that you are spending amount for Google Ads, that time the total amount you are spending, right, that is cost. If you are running campaign for 1,500 rupees, that time 1,500 is the amount for this. Then conversion. Conversion in the sense, see here, a conversion occurs when a user completes a desired action after clicking on an ad. Okay. Such as filling out your contact form, making. So I'm just googling. So I'm searching this keyword. Okay. So I've got multiple results. So I'm clicking this. So I'm clicking this thing, and finally I give the name, phone number, and email ID. Like that, I'm given everything, and just finally I give the robot, and I just click the submit. The entire data I can give and give submit, right? That is conversion. The form filled, right here I can then the form filled. So it is conversion. Okay. In the same time, if you go to any Amazon website and finally you can order something, so you can go to this refrigerator and you finally you can book this, pay to the money you can done right. So here sale is the conversion. What is the final point you done in the website? That is a conversion. Here it will be only lead. Lead is a conversion. Here sale is the conversion. Clear? Clear or not? Conversion is understood? Okay. So that is for conversion. So mostly here telling this, if 50 users clicks on your ad and fill out your contact form. Okay. So if 50 users click the ad and fill their contact form, so you have 50 conversions. So 50 people are fill the data. 50 people are fill the data. So that is a conversion. Okay. Then cost per acquisition. Cost per acquisition in the sense, see, same if I filling this name, phone number, email ID, like that, I'm getting robot and I'm filling the submit right. So if everything I'm done right, that is one conversion. For one conversion, how much budget we have, we spend. That is called. For example, one conversion is 50 rupees, that is 50 rupees. One conversion is 100 rupees, that is 100 rupees. So that is cost per acquisition, cost per conversion. One conversion is how much? If I am spending budget for one lead, so the one lead is how much budget we are spending. So that much of conversion is called cost per acquisition. Okay. So here they are getting the formula total cost by number of conversion. How much budget they are spending? If they are spending 500 rupees, they are getting five conversions. So 500 by 5. Okay, so that is so 100 conversions is the answer. Total cost in the sense they are spending 500. Number of conversion 5 conversion. So 500 by 5, so 100. CPA is 100. So that is we calculated here. Got it. And competitive metrics. So these are the performance metrics. Then competitive metrics. These are the three metrics here. So competitive. For example, Tata, then Nokia, like that. If you're using the brand campaign, right? People who are all searching brand, how much percentage of people searching for brand campaign? So the brand campaign, the search impression uh, technique will be search impression metric will be calculated. For example, if more people are searching brand campaign, obviously it's 97, it's around 97, 96, 98 will be. If people only less people are searching, so it will be 60, 70 like that. So always brand searches for every business will be there. Some people search for Nokia, some people search for Samsung, some people search for other brands company like that. They're searching for Swiggy, Zomato like that. That brand searches is calculated by search impression. Okay, so this is calculated by some metrics. So these also search impressions have in the sense how much people, for example, I'm searching Swiggy, there'll be multiple impressions will be there. So how much impressions I got and how much impression I'm spending. So that is calculated as search impressions. These are technical metrics, but you just understand the search impression is like this. Then IS lost budget. IS lost budget in the sense if you are running ad, suddenly my budget is lost. My budget is totally spended. So that time, due to insufficient budget, my ads are not shown to the people. So I'm spending 500 rupees for the ad. So 500 rupees, it will be shown on nearly 4 hours to 6 hours. So after 6 hours, the budget will be drawn. So automatically the ad will not show. So that time, that metric is calculated by highest last budget. Okay, the ad will be running only the given time what we are spending the amount. If you are spending 1,000 rupees, that much of time the ad will be shown. If you are spending 2,000 rupees, that much of ad will be shown. So this is high last budget. Then IS last rank. For example, the multiple ads will be running in the Google. You are running the ads for some keyword, or competitor is running the ads for the keyword. So that time you will be ranking on the third position. Your competitor will be ranking on the first position. So why you will be ranking in the third position? So it's because of bid. So your competitor is bidding on 5 rupees, 100 rupees, you bidding on 50 rupees only. So based on higher bid, your competitors will be ranking. Then ad quality. For example, your ad compared to your ad, your competitor ad will be better. Then CTR also, how much time people will be clicking this, clicks by impressions. So these things also calculated by highest last rank. So that time these metrics will be calculated as highest last rank. So like that in the business performance, how much term we can calculate it. So those will be calculated by some element of metrics. So those metrics will be here be framed. Clear? Clear? Okay. Okay. Clear. Okay. 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 Okay, guys. Just take a 10 minutes break and we continue again. Okay. Take a 10 minutes break. Hi students, shall we continue? Please reply. Okay, okay. Can you please explain this? How are these metrics related to each other? What is the difference between search impressions and general impressions? Okay. Yeah. See, impressions in the sense, if people search for a specific keyword, multiple options will be showing, right? If you just scroll down, that is called impressions. Search impressions share, it's completely for brand keyword, like Tata, like that people are searching something. How much percentage of people searching for this? For example, for every brand, they think their searches is around 150 or 200 like this, but actually they got 70, 80, 90 only. So like that, how much percentage we are expecting, but how much percentage we get. That metric is calculated by search impression share. Clear, Janvi? Clear. Okay. Then is acquisition means adoption, that means cost is adapted. Yeah. See, CPA, cost per acquisition. Cost per acquisition. For example, if a conversion of one conversion is calculated by this acquisition, that how much time, how much budget it's spending for per acquisition, that is called cost per acquisition. Clear? Clear, Gayatri? Any doubts? Okay, okay, okay. So next, actually, we are going to see about conversion matrix. Okay, these are also some technical data, conversion matrix. The first one is quality score. Okay. Quality score in the sense, for example, the keyword must be in your ad. International school is the keyword must be in your ad and keywords. In Google there'll be keywords also be there. And if you go to any specific page, here also the keyword must be there. So keyword must be in our ad and keywords and landing pages. If three it's having, if you're having good quality score. Quality score depends on these three factors only. Quality score ranges from 0 to 10. Okay, if it is 10, 9, 8, it will be good quality score. If it less than 5, it will be poor, less quality score. Okay, if you want to have good quality score, always the keyword must be in your ad, keyword and landing pages. Okay, so this is, if ad has quality score of 8 to 10. For example, you are creating this ad that is surveyed 8 to 10, it's considered it's relevant. It's relevant to, it's well optimized also. That is quality score we calculated. Next, landing page experience. This is the important metric for most of the sites. Okay, landing page experience in the sense, see, if someone comes to this website, they can see, they can park in this website, they can click here, the services there. Someone they're clicking this, right? So that is landing pages. So someone comes to here, they park in this Magento development company. So obviously this is landing page. Landing page in the sense, finally, which page user wants to visit, the user park in there. That is landing page. Okay, so landing page must be well organized. Okay, it's relevant to you only then if people, someone searches for Magento web development, this page is relevant to this. Otherwise, if it is not relevant, they can't spend more time here. Okay, so this metric accesses how relevant and useful your landing page is when someone clicks anywhere. If someone searches for digital marketing, the page is they move to some landing pages. That page is completely is giving useful information about digital marketing. Okay, if it's not relevant, definitely this landing page is not relevant. The better landing page, if you create a better landing page experience, can improve your quality score and ad performance. Okay, if you're creating the good landing page, relevant landing page from the users, it is also scores good quality score and performance also. Then ad relevancy. This is an important thing. If people click the like that ad only they are clicking, that ad is relevant to you. Relevant to you. That is the important thing. So this is the ad actually. If I'm searching something. Think yeah, see, this is the ad. We can see about this is the SEO process. Actually this is the ad. So if I'm searching Amazon, this ad is relevant to its showing, right? Concept. Next week we can discuss about this ad concept. Not down to understand now. So this is the ad. So I'm clicking this ad. It's relevant to this Amazon. I'm showing this keyword. It's relevant to this Amazon. Okay, so ad relevancy is important. How closely ad matches the intent. I'm searching for Amazon. Even I'm the word is mistake. I'm searching for AM is A. I'm missing A, but it's relevantly showing this information. The high relevant ad is more likely to achieve a higher quality score. So if you're getting high relevant ad, that's very relevancy is calculated by more quality score, and obviously it will be shown to Google the better results. Okay, return on ad spend for in digital marketing for most of the business depends on this metric only. Return on ad spend in the sense it's short from ROS, return on O A ad A S spend. So it is ROS. So this is ROIs in the sense, for example, I am spending some budget to the business. How much return I will get? So that is ROS. I'm spending 1,000 rupees to the budget business. So how much return? I'm getting 1,500 rupees return means so obviously 500 is the profit. So that is return on ad spend. So it is calculated by dividing the total revenue by the total ad spend. ROA is equal to revenue. Revenue in the sense, for example, I'm getting the profit 1,000 rupees, but I'm investing 2,000 rupees. So 1,000 by 2,000 equal. That is calculated. Return on ad spend in the sense how much we are spending, how much we are getting from the business. So that is return on ad spend. ROS. Okay. Next is revenue. Mostly this revenue they're calculated by how much amount we are income generated from conversions. For example, we are spending some money to Google. Finally, the large amount of income we generated, right? Total amount of income. That income is called revenue. In previously, we can send return on ad spend. Return on ad spend in the sense from spending the ad, how much we are getting the money. Here, total revenue. We are spending multiple things, ads, SEO, multiple things. Finally, how much of income we are generated. That is called ROS. We can mention percentage here. Here we can give the cost. For example, 10,000, 50,000 is the 50,000 is the profit, 1 lakh is the profit. So that revenue we can calculate it here. Okay, from conversions. Then conversion value. Conversion value in the sense, see, so this is the website. So I'm storing name, email ID, contact number. So I'm submitting here. So this is conversion. We already discussed about it. That is a conversion. For this conversion, we can give the value. One value equal to this conversion. Second value equal to this conversion. Like that, for every conversion, we are giving some values. That numbers, anything. That value that is called conversion value. It's a monetary value of conversion. For example, one conversion we are getting 500 rupees. The other conversion we are getting 2,000 rupees. The other conversion we are getting 3,000 rupees. Like that, for every conversion we have some budget, right? That is that monetary value, right? Real money, right? That money is called thing. So think about it. In Amazon, people are something buying the product mobile phone. So mobile phone is 10,000 rupees. Some people buying the TV. TV is 20,000 rupees. Some people are buying pen stand. Like that, all are conversions, but each monetary value is different. It's 20,000. The another is 10,000. The mobile is 5,000. So that monetary value we can discuss. That is conversion value. Okay, that is conversion value. Then conversion rate, and this is also an important percentage. For conversion rate, in a sense, it's a percentage of clicks that resulted in a conversion. For example, we can calculate some people in conversion rate in the sense if some people giving the name, email ID, contact number. So how many conversions we are getting? We are getting 100 conversions. If someone from the Google, so I'm searching this keyword, someone will come to the keyword. So I'm clicking this. Now I'm just filling the form. So this is conversion, but in some other ways I'm just clicking here, but I'm not any doing something. That is clicks. Okay. See, conversion by clicks in the sense I'm doing in the Google, I'm searching something. The Google, I'm searching something and coming here and filling something, that is conversion. Before that, I'm just clicking only. I'm just clicking only, but I'm not doing something, anything. I'm not filling anything. That is clicks. Okay. So here conversion rate, what we calculated, it's based on conversion by clicks into 100. how much conversion we are getting, how much fill the form, and how much clicks we are getting. That is the term we mentioned as conversion by clicks into 100. Clear? Clear? Any doubts on this? Oh, sorry. Screen is not visible. Sorry. Just a minute. Yes, about this, it's having this 8 to 10. It's having higher quality score. It depends on relevancy of ads, how quality with ads will be. That is quality score. Landing page, in the sense, if people see the landing page, how it's relevant to you, the landing page is relevant to you. So that is calculated by landing page experience. If someone searches for digital marketing, that landing page is denoted to you. It's related to you. If it's not related, okay. If it's not related, it's not sort of major experience. So always your landing page is related to your business. That is important thing. So that is landing page experience. Ad relevancy, in the sense, if someone searches on the Google, search for mobiles under 20,000 or something, they're searching some keyword. That keyword relates that ad. If it relates only, people can click. Otherwise, people don't click this. Okay, so I'm searching here Amazon. I'm searching Amazon the keyword. So Amazon is showing here. Amazon having ads. This is Amazon ads. So I'm searching Amazon. So Amazon ads will be showing. So the ad is relevant to this. Okay, the ad is relevant. Ad relevancy is very important for any search query. Search query, in the sense, this is search query. So I'm searching Amazon here, right? This is the search query. So it's related to this. So that is important. The high relevant ad is mostly getting higher quality score. Quality score in the sense you're getting the ad relevance, keywords, and landing pages. These are all calculated by higher quality score. Okay. Then return on ad spend. Okay, I think okay. Return on ad spend. Return on ad spend, in the sense, it starts from ROS. ROAS. Okay. ROAS, in the sense, how, for example, you are spending some money to the business. You are spending 1 lakh or 2 lakh money to the business. How much percentage return you get? How much revenue, how much profit you get, how many return on budget you get. That is the return on ad spend. If you are spending 1 lakh, if you are getting another 1 lakh, if you are spending 1 lakh, you are getting profit 1 lakh 50,000. That 50,000 is the ROS. Okay, that we can mention the percentage. Okay, so for ROS, they're giving the multiple option: revenue by total ad spend. Yeah, it is revenue by total ad spend. How much total amount we get, but how much ad we spend. So that is the calculation for ROS. Clear. Then revenue. Obviously, yeah, Rajwana, any doubts? Someone is asking something. Okay, visible. Okay. So, revenue is the total amount of income generated from the conversions. For example, many people are filling the form. Okay, they come to here. Many people are filling the form, but how many people finally go to admissions or finally go to sale the process? Everything, the final process done. It's kind of money we can done, right? So those things be calculated by these conversions. That's revenue. Okay, that conversion after it's going to money, right? How much money we got for specific businesses. So that is called revenue. Okay, that is called revenue. The next thing is conversions value. Conversions value, in the sense, see, for example, think about Amazon. In Amazon, you're having multiple products. Okay, for example, if you search for mobiles have the 10,000 or 20,000 rupees. If you're buying laptops are 50,000, 60,000, 1 lakh will be there. If you spend for any TV stand or pen stand like this, that is related to 500 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees will be there. So every product is different product. So every product have different monetary value. Different monetary values and different amount: 20,000, 10,000, 40,000. So for each conversion, how much value we can get, that is calculated by conversion value. Okay. For a mobile, we are having some amount. For a laptop, we are getting some amount. For a pen stand, we are getting some amount. So the amount we calculated by conversion value. That is a monetary value. We can fix this. Okay, clear. Okay, yeah. Okay, I can again conversion value. See, conversion value in the sense, think about this in Amazon. You go to Amazon, right? See, in Amazon, for this fridge, they're having specific amount. Think about it, the fridge is 40,000 or 50,000 will be there. This AC, it's around 80,000 or 70,000 will be there. This, this washing machine will be for 30,000 or 25,000 will be there. So, if you buy this the product, every all are conversion only, but every conversion will be different prices. 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. Like that, every product having different amount, right? That calculation is mentioned, calculated by conversion value. Got it? So conversion value in the sense, it's a monetary value of a conversion. How much conversion are getting for each product. So that is called conversion value. Clear? Understood? That's for clear? Okay. Then at last conversion rate. So conversion rate we can calculate it by it's a percentage of clicks that resulted in the conversion. So for example, some people clicks this. If I go to the same keyword, so I'm clicking the same keyword. So here I just moving down and just clicking this. Okay. And I putting some name, some number, some mail, everything I done. So finally I give submit. That submit is called conversion. Okay. In other words, I just come here, I'm searching this keyword, I just clicking this, but I'm not doing any conversion. So how many people clicks this data and how many people give the data? Those things covered at the conversion rate. So conversion rate in the sense how many people fill the form, that is conversion. How many people just clicking only. So that data we can calculate by conversion by clicks into 100. Clear? Understood? Clear? Okay. So these are all the technical metrics for these are the KPI. So KPI is the it's already mentioned as key performance indicator, right? So key performance indicator we have various metrics like this. Okay, I think we need to for getting business we can target ROA like that we can get impressions clicks. So these are the metrics conversions. So we can track the data in the metric format. That metrics we can calculate as KPI. Clear? Understood. My doubt is clarified. Thank you. Okay, Baswa. Thank you. Thank you. So like that, it will be the better thing. Okay. So these are the metrics. Mostly these are the metrics we discussed here. So we discussed many metrics here, performance metrics, uh, CTR. First, we can discuss about performance metrics. It's about impressions, clicks, click-through rate, cost per click, cost, conversion, cost per acquisition. So impressions in the sense how many people searching to the keyword, how many results will be there. Clicks in the sense if you someone clicks the data, so that they're going to the clicks. Click to rate in the sense it's calculated by clicks by impressions into 100. Cost per click, how many people clicking the, for example, they're clicking some people, how much cost for clicking the per data. Cost in the sense how much spending the money for this. Conversion in the sense how many people fill the form are getting the sale. Cost per acquisition in the sense for conversion, each conversion, how much amount, that is cost per acquisition. So these are the performance metrics. Okay, so like that, many data we can discuss here. The metrics, competitive metrics, search impression will be there. Budget, how much we are using for budget is lost. Then is lost ranked in the, it's a competitive metric we can consider. Then these are the metrics we discussed. Then conversion metrics, quality score, how much landing page your user will be data that you can check. Ad relevance, if you are searching something, it's related to this, that is ad relevance. How much return on spend you are getting for the money, that is return on ad spend. Revenue in the sense, total revenue, how much you calculate, that revenue is called total revenue. Conversion value is in completely each has separate value. If you're spending every conversion have different monetary value, so that is mentioned as conversion value. Conversion rate in the sense how much percentage of conversion by clicks we can calculate it, so that is conversion rate. So these are the metrics mostly we are getting for uh, this campaign analysis. Okay, so for every digital marketing, these are the things we are discussing in this. And previously, we discussed about analytics also. So Google Analytics tool. In Google Analytics is a tool. It's completely about analyzing the website traffic, how data can be accessed, and what are they doing in the Google Analytics. Those can we can take here. So it's completely about tracks and reports website traffic, what people is doing in the website and which country they are coming from, which sources they are coming from. Those data we are coming from Google Analytics. Then Google Search Console. For people, it is a completely a monitor. Okay, it wants monitor and maintain the troubleshoot issues. What people are doing, what if any indexation issues, any search issues, what people are searching in the Google. So those things we can search in Google Search Console and Google Tag Manager. It allows you to manage the marketing tags. For example, if you're having Google Analytics code or Pixel code, those things you don't need to directly put in website. You can put in this Google Tag Manager, and this Google Tag Manager code you put in website. So like that, it will if you're using Google Tag Manager, the space is less. So obviously, the site is very speed. So for that, we are using this. Clear? Any doubts? Super explanation, guys. Thank you, thank you. Okay, okay, okay. Then, if any doubt, you can ask. If clear, type clear. Okay, okay, understood, right? Then, okay, then moving to the knowledge checking area. Okay, just moving to. Okay, knowledge checking. First question: what does KPI stands for? B B B B B. B. Okay. B. Yeah, other links already provided, Baswa. Please check in chat. B. 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 Okay. More people are still in B. More answers, one more answers. Pravina is still in key performance indicator. Okay. B. B. Okay. B. B. Once again, send me. Yeah, we'll send. Yes, sir. Everyone is right. B is the answer. Okay. Yeah, B is the right answer. Okay. KPI stands for Key Performance Indicator. B is the right answer. Next, uh, I think I put it the answer here. Why are KPIs important in campaigns? B, okay. B, B. Link will provide B. Okay. B. Once is filling A and B. Okay. B. Omkar is filling B. B, okay. B, 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 okay. Okay. Many people are telling B. Okay, I can reveal the answer. Yeah, B is the answer. They help measure and track campaign success. B is the answer. Okay. Which of the following is not a metric for evaluating campaign success? D, 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 D. Uh, okay, Shah, D, 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 D. Okay, more answers, more answers. D is the definitely right answer. Okay, brand logo design D, 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 D. Okay, D, D, D. More people are answering D. Okay, expecting more answers. Okay, okay. Chennai is telling D, Anusa is telling D. Okay. Okay, I can reveal the answer. Yeah, D is the right answer. Brand logo design. Okay. Because click through rate, conversion rate, revenue generator, all are metrics. So brand logo design is not a metric. Okay. What is the formula for calculating click through rate? CTR. A, 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 okay. A, A, okay. More answers. Email is telling B. Okay. Manjari is telling A. Ansa is telling A. Chinmay is telling A. Okay. Okay. A. That is telling A. Okay. Ansa is telling again and again. Okay. Only the is telling Kalyani is telling. Okay. A Ansa multiple times. Okay. Yeah. A is the right answer. It's total clicks by total impressions into 100. Next question. How can data-driven decision-making benefit campaigns? Just think about it and see. C C oh, C okay C C okay C C okay C A or C okay. Someone is telling A or C okay. Think We'll share this. C, C, okay, C, C, okay. See, attendance is here. Please do this. C, 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 okay, C, okay. Most of the people are telling C. Yeah, C is the correct answer. I think your guessing is correct. My improving campaign strategies to inform choices. Okay. Okay. Which KPI is best suited for measuring user engagement on a website? Multiple answers are coming. A, B, A, okay, A, okay, A, B, okay, A, B, A, B, A, Kalyan is telling A. More A's are coming. Okay, Gangadhar, male is telling, Dhanush is telling A or B. Chinmay is A. Okay, Kauna is A. Isra is telling A. Chinmay is telling A. Gayatri is telling A. Okay, Sneha is telling A. Okay, more A's are coming. Okay, okay, yeah, I can reveal the answer. A is the right answer. Okay, some people are telling B also. See, I'm asking for engagement on a website, so it's calculated by bounce rate only. What is the significance of analyzing the right metrics in the campaign? B, A, B, B, A, Satish telling A, B, 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 okay. More people telling B, okay. B, B, A, Gangadhar is telling A, Aisha is telling B, Snega is telling B, okay. Jamna is telling B, Lisa is telling B. B, I'm sure the right answer. Okay, we'll check it. B, okay. B, 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 okay. So the question, yeah, we saw the question again. What is the significance of analyzing the right metrics in the campaign? So what is the significance of analyzing the right metrics in the campaign? B, 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 okay. B, okay. More answers, I'm fitting more answers. B, 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 okay. Okay, I can reveal the answer. So B is the right answer. Okay. Which of these example of a conversion metric? Which of these example is the conversion metric? B, C, A, D, A. I think mixed answers for these questions. Okay. A, B, A, A. Okay, more people are telling A. B, C, A. I think mixed answers. Just listen the question and answer it. I'm asking this. Which of these example of a conversion? What is conversion? So if you understand what is conversion, then you can answer easily. C A C C, okay, C, okay, C D. Vimla is telling D, D or C. Okay, Methi is telling C, Chinmay is telling C, Sneha is telling C, Kalyani C, Jami C. Okay, Anjali is B. Okay, more answers, more answers. I think for this question, I'm getting more different answers. Okay, we'll check it. C. Okay, okay, okay. I can reveal the answer. See, conversion in the sense, what is the final term? Final term is important, right? So if you go to any site, you just filling the form. So it is a conversion. If you go to Amazon, you purchase something. So it is a conversion. So here, what is the answer for this? So final thing is the answer. So now tell what is the answer for this? Final thing is the answer. So what is the answer? Just guess. C, C, C. Now we are telling the correct answer. Okay. So the final thing is number of purchase. Okay, yeah, this is the correct answer. So number of purchases is the conversion ratio. What does ROI stand for? C, 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 okay. C, okay. C, C, C. Yeah, I can show the question again. What does ROI stand in a campaign measurement? C, 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 C. What does ROI stand for in campaign measurement? C, C, C. So it's in C, okay. C. Attendance link already shared, Supriya. Please check in the previous chat. C, 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 okay. Yeah. C is the right answer. C is the right answer. Okay. So the final question: why is it important to calculate essential metrics? B, 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 okay. B, 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 okay. B, okay. B. More answers. Final questions. I need more answers. B, 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 B. Okay. Okay. Yeah. More people are telling B. Yeah. B is the right answer. B is the right answer. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Then how was the session today? Your feedback about this. informative. Okay, good. Super explanation. Excellent. Thank you. Session was informative. Okay, thank you. Okay, great session. Okay, thank you. Very interesting and knowledgeable session, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Sneha. You explained it very well. Thank you. Thank you. It's interesting and more learning ideas. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Dennis. Thank you, David. Explanation is clear. The classes are very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Journey is still informative session. Well done, sir. Thank you very much. It was awesome and very much. Thank you, guys. Okay, just fill the attendance. We'll share the color classes. Will share the team this month. Those things will explain by Ahmad Basra. Okay. Really, we learned a lot of things today. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We'll provide these notes. Sneha. We'll share the notes next lesson. Okay. This was informative and engaging. Thank you for making it so clear. For the conversion question, I got confused. But the last to explain and clearly thank you. Thank you, Anil. Thank you for your this time. Your explanation very nice. Thank you, Bashar. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So we can meet tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Amar.
Yeah. So thank you, Stars.
Thank you.